Hey guys, welcome back to RC Crawler Workbench. I'm going to try to give this another shot today. Try to get the video filmed the way I want it to. The sky's looking awful gray. It's already sprinkling a little bit, so let's get this done.
Forsaken, all the love you taken, sleeping on the razor, there's nowhere left to fall. Your body's aching, every bone is breaking, nothing seems to shake it, just keeps holding on. Your soul is able, death is all you cradle, sleeping on the hands, there's nowhere left to fall. You have admired every man desires, everyone is king when there's no one left to bind.
There the morning light falls, the window in the hall, and she was sitting in the kitchen on a chair against the wall, and I think it might have been October. I'm not sure, I just know it was getting colder. She writes a letter to her lover, still asleep beneath the covers. A leaf outside the window, and the wind kinda hovered for a moment, then it started blowing. Like that leaf, she was set on going. She wrote out, "Know when you're waking, you will find I've been most she signed and sealed the letter, and she said goodbye forever, hesitating in the doorway to button up a sweater. She shivered. It was cold.
That is a steep mofo. So we're gonna do a little bit of demonstration of the Holmes hold, and I'll let you guys get back to building scalers. All right, see you guys next time on RC Crawler Workbench.